Dear friends, if you want to speak in English, if you want to learn English, first and foremost thing, we have to learn tenses. Tenses are very important. And tense does very important role in English grammar. What is the tense and why do we use tenses and what is the importance of the tense? That's very important. Let me explain. What is the tense? Tense means time. Tense means time. And tense describes time of an action. When we use one sentence, when we write a sentence, when we speak a sentence, that sentence, when happened, and what is the time of that sentence, all that defended by tenses. So tense tells, describes the time of an action. Mainly there are three tenses. They are present tense, past tense and future tense. Present tense, past tense, future tense. Present tense expresses or describes present actions. Past tense describes past actions which are finished already. And future tenses describes future actions which will be happen in the future. Those kind of actions described by the future tense. And these three tenses are again divided into four kinds. How? Let me listen. Present tense. Present tense is divided into four kinds. First one is simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. Same. How does present tense divided into four kinds? As the same kind, past tense also divided into four kinds. Like that, simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. Same future tense also. Simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, and future perfect continuous tense. So these are the tenses. Totally there are 12 tenses in English. Mainly 3 tenses, and those are divided into 4, and totally there are 12 tenses in English. And very important tenses: simple present tense, simple past tense, present continuous tense. These are very usable always, and most of the time we use these tenses, and most time we use simple past tense. If we tell a fast incident, and if we tell a story which is happened fast time, that time we use most of the time simple past tense. So these 12 tenses has their own helping verbs and verb structure. They have different kinds of verbs and helping verbs also. So we have to learn helping verbs and verb forms, very important. If we want to learn, if you want to remind every sentence, every tenses, first we have to learn the helping verbs and verb forms every individual tenses. Listen to me. In present tense there are 4 kinds. First tense is simple present tense. Simple present tense. In simple present tense we do not use any helping verbs. For example, am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had. These are helping verbs. Shall, should, will, would. These are helping verbs. And these kind of helping verbs, we do not use any helping verb in simple present tense. And in simple present tense, we use first shape of the verb. We call V1, first shape of the verb. Verbs are divided into 5 kinds. Verbs are divided 5 kinds. For example, present form of the verb, past form of the verb, past participle form of the verb, gerund and infinitive. Present form of the verb, past form of the verb, and past participle form of the gerund. These are very important. These 4 kinds of verbs are we use in tenses. In simple present tense, we use V1 present form of the verb plus helping verb, no helping verb. There is no helping verb and V1 form of the verb. Second tense, which is that present continuous tense. In present continuous tense, we use helping verbs like am, is, are. We use three kinds of helping verbs: am, is, are. For example, where do you use am, is, are? I am. I takes am helping verb. We are. We takes are. You are. And you are. He is. She is. It is. They are. I am. We are. You are. You are. He is. She is. It is. They are. And you can maybe ask one question here. Why do you use two times you are? Helping verb also same and pronoun also same. So why am I using you two times? One you is singular. Only one thing, only one name telling that is singular. And another you is plural. More than one. Plural means more than one. Singular means only one. So like this, that's why we are using you two times. And present continuous tense finished. Next is present perfect tense. In present perfect tense, we use helping verb have and has. Which helping verbs? Have and has. Verb form is V3. Past participle form of the verb. Verb form is V3. Next, present perfect continuous tense. In present perfect continuous tense, we use helping verbs have been and has been, which are have been and has been. And verb form is V4, gerund, we call gerund, and V4. It use V1 plus ing. For example, go, went, gone, going. Go plus ing, going. It is V4. We call it gerund. V4, going, doing, seeing, making, drinking, eating, like this. So four kinds of tenses are finished in present tense. Next, we move past tense. In past tense also four kinds of tenses. First one is simple past tense. In simple past tense also same as it simple present tense, we do not use any helping verb. In simple past also we do not use any helping verb like simple present tense. Total there are 12 tenses. In 12 tenses, only 2 tenses are there. We do not use any helping verbs. They are simple present tense and simple past tense. We do not use any helping verbs there. And in simple past tense, we use second shape of the verb. V2. We call V2. Second shape of the verb. Listen to me carefully, dear friends. Simple past tense, only one tense takes second shape of the verb V2. Other tenses do not use second shape of the verb. This tense only takes second shape of the verb. And then past continuous tense. In past continuous tense, we use helping verbs like was, were. What are was, were? And verb is V4. V1 plus ing, V4. Going, doing, seeing, making, like this. Next, past perfect tense. In past perfect tense, we use helping verbs had. This is only one helping verb, had. And we use here past participle form of the verb. For example, go, went, gone, V3. Gone, seen, drunk, took, take, took, taken, ring, rang, rung, see, saw, seen, drink, drank, drunk, feel, felt, felt, write, wrote, written, read, 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 which is V3 we use in the past perfect tense. Next is past perfect continuous tense. In past perfect continuous tense, we use helping verb had been, and verb form is V4, gerund, going, seeing, making, eating, drinking, like this. And next we move next tense, future tense. In future tense also there are four kinds of tense. First one is simple future tense. In simple future tense we use helping verbs shall and will. Shall and will. And where we use shall and will? Shall is used first person pronoun, first person pronoun, singular and plural. For example, I shall, we shall. In other all pronouns we use will. We will, you will, he will, she will, it will, they will. Like this we use shall and will. And verb form is V1. In simple present tense we use verb form V1. Next is future continuous tense. In future continuous tense we use helping verbs like shall be and will be. First person singular and plural shall be, others all pronouns will be. And verb form is V4. We use V1 plus ing. And next tense, future perfect tense. In future perfect tense we use helping verbs like shall have and will have. Same, first person singular and plural shall have, others are will have. And verb is V3. For example, gone, sent, drunk, like this. V3 form of the verb we use here, past participle form. And last, final tense, that is future perfect continuous tense. In future perfect continuous tense we use helping verb like shall have been and will have been. They are also same, first person singular and plural shall have been, others are will have been. And verb form is V4, chiran, ing, V1 plus ing. So like this tenses are used, and every tenses has their individual helping verbs and verb forms. If we want to learn tenses, first we want to remind, we learn and we recite every individual tenses, helping verbs and verb forms. So that is very very important, my dear friends. First we try to learn tenses, and if we want to learn tenses we have to individually study first every individual tenses, helping verbs and verb forms. That is very very important. And tenses, what kind of work they do. For example, I give one sentence, I do my work, I do my work. This is simple present tense. Simple present tense express at the present actions. Simple present tense express present actions. How? I do my work, this is present, recent will happen, now happen it is. And another example, I did my work, or I completed my work. I completed, it's simple past tense. This action already finished because it is past tense. Another example, I shall go to my village, I shall go to my village. This action is happen in the future, will happen in the future. I shall go to my village tomorrow. It will happen in the tomorrow because it's future tense. Like this, tenses are expresses or describes time of an action. So this is Nagaraj English teacher. We'll meet again next video. Bye bye.